Hello, look at your... Oh, I can never get enough of your feathers. It's just a magnificent coloured animal, the king parrot. It's magnificent. Look at that. You've got kind eyes, haven't you? Quite kind eyes. There's your girl. She hasn't got quite a magnificent plumage, but she's not bad. She's enjoying the odd treat that I give them, known as sunflower seeds. They just love them. Well, you guys have a nice weekend. I'm going camping to Lake Eildon. I'm going camping to Lake Eildon, so there'll be no sunflower seeds this weekend.